Hello viewers, I am Dr. Aparna Vijay Kumar, Senior Consultant Neurologist, Citizens Hospitals, Hyderabad. What are common triggers for epileptic seizures and how we can manage them? So the common triggers for epileptic seizures include lack of sleep, stress, use of alcohol, smoking, use of mobiles, watching too much of TV, playing video games, and even sometimes fever can trigger seizures. Now these can be managed by avoiding alcohol, avoiding stress, having good sleep of 8 hours, eating food on time, and not spending too much time on mobile phones and TV. What are the types of epilepsies? So epilepsies can be focal epilepsy or generalized epilepsy. Focal epilepsy means there is maybe twitching of one part of the body, like even the eyes, hands or legs. It can be associated with loss of consciousness, or the patient may be conscious during that episode. It will last for a few minutes, 1 to 3 minutes maximum. Generalized epilepsies, in which there is tonic-clonic jerks, jerks of all 4 limbs, and there may be uprolling of the eyeballs, there can be tongue bite, there may be frothing from the mouth, the head and neck can get deviated to one side of the body. These jerks can last for around 3 to 5 minutes, and this is followed by a phase of post-ictal drowsiness. The patient will be drowsy for a long time. There can be tongue bite, there can be urinary incontinence. How does stress impact epilepsy and how it can be managed? Stress has an important role in epileptic patients. Stress can trigger seizures. So avoiding stress is very important. The stress can be managed by doing exercise daily and also practicing yoga, pranayama, breathing exercises. Epileptic patients can also resort to cycling, and also they can meditate daily. One important thing is a good 8 hours of sleep helps in relieving stress and helps in preventing seizures.